Hey Cardo, music on. Hey all you zombie riders, this is Old Man Zombie coming at you from Tazewell, Virginia. Yes, we are at the VAMM right now, 2022, riding with some very notable riders. On the lead I got UMC Pigs, followed by Kraken's Garage, and also got right there we got Nori from Gliding on Twos. So man, I am starstruck. I am seeing stars, man. Man, this is awesome. I've never been so starstruck in my life. And yeah, so we're out in the beautiful mountains out here in Virginia. And man, I gotta say, this place is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I mean, just look at that. You don't see this in Georgia right now, or at least in southern Georgia. So what we're doing today, this morning, we are actually going to go out and have some breakfast and then plan out the ride. We're going to meet up with the rest of the riders as far as what are we doing today, as far as either riding the back of the Dragon or what have you. And you know, there were some issues that were brought up by UMC Pigs. If you don't, go check out his channel, go check him out, and you'll know what I mean by what he was talking about for this ride. And it should be a concern for everyone that is riding in a large group, especially if you have a large group of riders that have never ridden before, and also, you know, don't know what the riding capabilities, not to question their capabilities, but you know, just like a putting a large group together to suddenly go on a very technical mountainous ride, you know, that's always an issue for me personally. I mean, if I was in that, I was like, well, you know, thank you, but I'll stay in the way back and follow up from the rear. But you know, that's your own choice. That's me personally. For me, it's more of a safety issue, and always listen to that inner voice, that gut feeling. Yeah. Anyway, like I said, VAMM 2022, we're in Virginia. This is Old Man Zombie, and we are gonna have some fun. All right, I'll be shooting some more video, posting it as soon as I can. And if you didn't make it this year, hope to see you here next year for the same event, i.e. High Tech Redneck. If you're listening, yeah, I expect to see you out here next year if you can. But I understand why. Anyway, this is Old Man Zombie saying deuces from VAMM 2022. Camera rolled back, or